Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you get more storage on your Google Chrome account. So all you have to do, just go up, you click here on the sign here or app, then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window, then you just click here on sync, then it's going to take you here, you just go down, you click here on Google Activity Controls, then it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do now, so just go down, you click here on say all activity controls here on down, then you just keep going down here, and you click here on go to your Google account, you will click, then it's going to take you to next step here, and you just go up here, you swipe right here on up, you click here on payments and subscriptions here, you will click, then it's going to take you to this window, so just go down here and you click it, you come here to account storage, you click here on manage storage here, so then it's going to take you to next step, and you click here on get more storage, so then it's going to take you here, and you just here pay for monthly or here this, and you click here on get offer, and you add your card information, and it's going to give you free storage. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,